Perimeter 5.0. The perimeter of a shape is the distance around the outside of it. So to find the perimeter of this shape, I need to measure the length of the sides and then add them up. I'm going to use the centimeter ruler on the protractor. And the first step is to line up the 0 on this ruler with the end of the line on the shape. And then look across and see it lines up with that big line that's right by the 5, so that's 5 centimeters. I'm going to put the 5 and the cm that stands for centimeters. Measure this line on top. 5. And I'm going to measure these other two sides. Again, it's important to line up that 0 on the ruler with the end of the line. And just look across. And both of these sides are also 5 centimeters. Now I'm going to put the 5s down in the addition equation. And I can just do 2 of these at a time. 5 and 5 is 10. So they're both 10, and then add up the 10s. 10 and 10 is 20. Again, I'm using centimeters, so it's important to put that in the answer, 20 centimeters. Now I could have just counted by 5s also, 5, 10, 15, 20. Or I could have realized that I have 4 sides that are all the same length and used multiplication. Which is 4 groups with 5 in each group, and that's 20. So if I knew that 4 times 5 was 20, I could have known the answer really quickly. Okay, find the perimeter of this shape. I'm going to measure the length of all the sides. Line up the 0 on the ruler with the end of the line, look across. That's right at about 2, so I'm going to put 2 cm for centimeters. Also 2. Yep, they're all 2 centimeters. Now I put the 2 down in the equation. So I could count by 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8. Or I could have added 2 at a time and put 2 and 2 is 4, and then 4 and 4 is 8. Or I could have done multiplication. It's 4 groups with 2 in each group. 4 times 2 is 8. Again, if I knew the answer to 4 times 2, I could have this answer really quickly. And don't forget the cm for centimeters.